Hello, my name's Mike. This is Wordsworth Model Railway, and in this little short video I want to talk about a new kit that was started back in February. Should have been released months and months and months ago, but because of all the work I'm doing on the house, I've had no time at all to do any kit building or any model railway activities at all. I've brought you round to Wordsworth station. This uses the small Maisie or Daisy kit that's now showing its age. It's still a good kit. I still like the building and the layout, but I've actually been working on a replacement for this one. So what we'll do is we'll move this station out of the way and show you where I am at present with the replacement kit, which we're looking around about November, December time before I can actually get the finishing touches. That's if all goes to plan in the house. Okay, here she is. I've not given this particular model a name yet, but as can be seen, this one's a brick built station. I've gone for the cornerstones. The roof overlaps to form a little canopy. There's still a few little bits to do on this kit before I can actually release her, and what I'll try to do is see if we can zoom in a little so you can get some of the detail. Long time since I've used the camera, so you'll have to bear with me please. Okay, I've designed new windows for this particular model. Let's see if I can pan down a little bit. Got some new double doors. The cornerstones are looking pretty good. Gone for the slate roof on this particular one. As can be seen, the chimney pots and stacks still need doing. Brought you around to the side. Just to give you a view of how it might look once I get it all completed. I think this should be a nice replacement to the older station. Could do with a few variations with the brick design, just so there's a few different options out there, and I'm not too sure whether to actually build this one with the transparent windows, because I seem to be favouring more of these printed ones again, where you can put a LED bulb in the side and what you get is the light shining through, giving a simulated interior effect. But once again, the kits do lend themselves to a bit of kit bashing, and you may want to design it and build it in a total different manner to how you can see it here. I hope you think this kit will be worthwhile, and I hope to have it with you around about November, December time this year. Thank you for joining me at Wordsworth Model Railway.